Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can change date and time in the macOS system. So let's see how we can do it. To change date and time, first of all you have to go in the system setting. For that you can click on this Apple icon. After that this system setting. Now you are in the system setting. In system setting, left side you will see this general option. You have to click on this general option. When you click on this general option, you will find here date and time option. Here date and time, click on date and time. Here you have to click on this toggle button, set date time and date automatically. When it is on, it will set your date and time automatically according to that day. If you want to change, first of all you have to do off this toggle button. After that he will ask your password. So for that you can use your password as well as you can use your touch id. In my case I use my touch id. After that you can click on this set button, date and time set button. When you click on this set button, you will see this date and time. Now it is already set 1st of January 2025. So if you want to change it to 2nd January, you can change set. Now you can see here Thursday 2nd January 2025. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video.